whether there is a problem, there is a solution, not that solution. So in the chemistry, so we are going to learn what exactly the solution, right? Solution and Reno, right? So in these topics we have to cover so many things, right? The types of solutions we have to see, and the effect of pressure or else effect of temperature, and especially in gaseous solutions, some of the laws, what are the Raoult's law and what is the Henry law, and what is ideal solution and what is non-ideal solution, and then after we have to go for the colligative properties. What are the colligative properties? So based on that we have to learn the problems, we have to solve the problems. Okay, clear? First we will move on what exactly the solution. Solution andre ಏನು? Solution is nothing but solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more component, right? What is that? Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more components. ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ solution ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? So there are two or more components, ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? So what are those components, right? So what exactly the solution? Solution is nothing but, so they are nothing but the solvent. So when you add solvent, it is a mixture of what? Solvent. When you add solvent and then solute, the combination of what? Solvent and the solute forms what? Solution, particular solution. So we will move on an example. So what is the example? So beautiful example we can take, right? So water. So take a beaker of water and add small amount of salt, and there is a formation of what? Salt solution, right? So now solution made up of what? Solvent and the solute. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ solvent, right? What is the solvent portion and what is the solute portion? Solvent is nothing but which is present in larger quantity, larger quantity, you can say larger quantity, right? Solvent andreno which is present in larger quantity, that component we are calling what? Solvent. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? Solvent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So which is present in lesser quantity, or else you can say it is a smaller quantity. So lesser quantity, or else you can say smaller quantity. So that is what? Solute. So both solute and the solvent, they form what? Solution. Example ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? Water plus salt solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So take a beaker, right? Add water, take 500 ml of water, some amount of water, right? Add a 1 teaspoon, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಶುಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, right? ಸೊ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದೇನು? ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ಶುಗರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? So that form the phase of what solution, right? Larger quantity alli enide ivaga solvent is nothing but larger quantity, so which is present in larger quantity, so we are calling solvent. Hence the phase of solution comprises what? Solvent. So whatever the solvent, what is the phase of solvent, or else what is the state of solvent, whether it is liquid or whether it is solid or whether it is gas. Based on that you can say the solution phase, right? So now here you have the liquid solution. Why? So water is the major part, right? So water is become what? Solvent here, solvent here, salt becomes what? Solute here, solute here, right? So water is a solvent and salt is a solute. Hence the solution what we are getting here, salt solution, and which is in a liquid state, right? So ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so black is nothing but water. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The red color dot you can see, observe here, so that is nothing but the particle of what? Salt, right? So that is what we are calling solute, right? And the solution phase what? So that is in liquid solution. Why? Because it is the solvent phase which is present in liquid state. So solvent ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ liquid state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ solution ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ liquid solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So now solution is a homogeneous mixture, what we are calling homogeneous mixture. So what is that homogeneous mixture? So homogeneous mixture is nothing but throughout the solution you are having the, so throughout the solution ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, sugar solution ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ salt, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ teaspoon ಹಾಕಿ, so this area I am writing now, so ಈ area, then this area and this area. So if you see in that particular area what happens, composition. So composition ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಶುಗರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅದರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, and here also you have what? Salt solution, and here also you have the salt solution. Means salt plus what? Water you have the components. So throughout the solution, right, what happens throughout the solution you have the same composition and same property. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್? salt solution only, and what about the property, physical property? Salt ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ಟಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟಿ ನೇಚರ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ throughout the beaker, so if you go throughout the beaker, so the same composition you are going to see and the same property you can see, and that's mixture we are calling what? Homogeneous mixture. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ homogeneous mixture ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So two or more component is nothing but solvent part and the solute part, and there is formation of what? Solution. And phase what? The solvent phase, it acquires what? Solvent phase, right? So such a system, example salt solution, we have taken salt solution, right? So here you have what? So two components. How many components are there? So there are two components we have. Hence this type of solutions we are calling, so two or more component. If it is two component system, so we are calling binary solution. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? binary solution. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? binary solution. So we are talking about this binary solution, right? So ಮೂರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ನರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? ಟರ್ನರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 3 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ 4 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? ಕ್ವಾಟರ್ನರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ವಾಟರ್ನರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಟರ್ನರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬೈನರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಬೈನರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 2 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, Which one? One is solvent, one is the solute. Example for the binary solution, salt solution is the one of the example. So this is regarding what? The brief regarding what? Solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ solution. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪಿನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? So there should be a different types of solution. One is solid solution. Second one is liquid solution, and then gaseous solution. Right. So not only liquid solution ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, so it should be in liquid state. Liquid ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. not that one solution. Not only that solution, it is solution, but not only that solution. So we, in addition to that, we have what? Solid solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ solid solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is that solid solution? Solution is in liquid state? No, not in liquid state. So solution ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. It may be in solid state, or it may be in liquid state, or it may be in what? Gaseous state. It is based on what? It is based on solvent. Solvent ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅದನ್ನ gaseous solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Solvent ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ liquid state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ liquid solution. Example this one. So if it is solvent is in solid state, and that solution we are calling what? Solid solution. Solid solution example ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ almost alloys. So whatever the alloys we are seeing here, so that is example for the solid solution. Maximum ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so we will move one by one. Okay, so this is regarding what? Solutions. So three types of solutions: what? Solid solution, liquid solution, and the gaseous solution. Right? So okay. So next moving on, the binary solution. Binary solution is nothing but what? A solution containing what? So two components ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ binary solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so what are the types of binary solution, right? So what are the types of binary solution? So very important. So always they will ask some of the example ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, which type of system it is. Okay, the first we will go for, so here I have given the types of solution: solute, solvent, and the common example. First we will go for the gaseous, right? So gaseous solution. So gaseous solution. So gaseous solution, right? A solute in the form of what? Gas. Solute, gas, and then liquid state, and then solid. So solute ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಸಾಲಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, gaseous solution ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, gaseous solution, gas in gas, liquid in gas, and then solid in gas. So gas ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, so oxygen, the mixture of oxygen and the nitrogen into gases. Mixture of what? Oxygen and the nitrogen gases are the example for what? Gaseous and the gaseous. Next liquid in gas. So liquid in gas ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, chloroform with the nitrogen. Chloroform with the N2, nitrogen. Chloroform with the nitrogen gas, you can say nitrogen gas. Chloroform with the nitrogen gas, very important. So liquid chloroform is in liquid form, and the solvent is gas. So gas ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, chloroform ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, mixture of chloroform with the N2 gas, you can say. Next solid in gas. Solid in gas is nothing but camphor in N2 gas. Camphor in N2 gas, right? So camphor in nitrogen gas, you can say. The camphor in N2 gas is the example for what? Solid gas. So very important. So mixture of O2 and N2 is example for gaseous solution. Chloroform with N2 is example for gaseous solution, and camphor in N2, so that is for the gaseous solution. But solute and solvent is same here. The gaseous, solvent, and solute are the different. So here gaseous, right? Liquid, the chloroform is a liquid, and the camphor is a solid is liquid, right? So this entire thing is what we are calling gaseous solution. So next we will go for the liquid solution. So liquid ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, so you can take solute, gas, and then liquid, gas, liquid and solid. Gas, liquid and solid. And then the solvent should be what? Liquid, and then liquid, and then liquid state. All are in liquid state. Solution avagena namge, so the liquid solutions. Whatever the solution we are getting from this system, so that is liquid solution. So gas in liquid. So example, better example you can give it is oxygen dissolved in O2 is dissolved in water. So O2 dissolved in water, and also you can say it is carbon dioxide also dissolved in water. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water, or else oxygen dissolved in water is an example for what? Liquid solution. So gas and the liquid, right? Oxygen is a gas and the carbon dioxide is a gas, so which is dissolved in water. Water is a liquid. Hence the solution what we are getting here, so that is in liquid phase. Hence it is example for the liquid solution, right? So next, a liquid in liquid. So liquid in liquid is example for what? Ethanol or methanol, which is dissolved in water. Ethanol or ethanol which is dissolved in water, right? So next, solid and liquid, glucose or else sugar you can take, whatever it is, salt you can take, glucose dissolved in water. So glucose dissolved in water, okay. So liquid solution. So this is also the example for the liquid solution, right? So these are the example, okay. So here solvent all are in what? Liquid state, and solute maybe gas, liquid and the solid. Example, right? Example, gas and liquid, oxygen dissolved in water, liquid and liquid, ethanol dissolved in water, and solid and liquid, so that is the glucose dissolved in the water, okay. So last we have to go for what? Gaseous over liquid over, so then we have to go for solid solution. Very important, solid solution. Always they are asking in examination, okay. The same process here, what? Gas, liquid, and then solid, right? So here all are what? Solid, and then also solid, okay. So gas in solid, right? Gas in solid is nothing but what? Hydrogen. So hydrogenation of what we are calling inorganic reaction. So you can see the hydrogenation with the alkene or alkyne, you can see. So that is not, you can write solution of H2 in palladium, PD. So palladium is an example for what? Solid solution. And liquid solid solution. So what is the example for the liquid solid solution? Is nothing but amalgam of mercury in what? Sodium. Amalgam of mercury in sodium. So amalgam of mercury and the sodium, you can give the best example here, okay. So next, last we have what? Solid. So they are nothing but copper dissolved in gold. Copper dissolved in gold. Copper is dissolved in gold. So this is the example. So very important. They may ask a mixture of what? These things. So everything is very important here. So they will ask, maybe they will ask what? Gaseous solution and the solid solution, and it is very important things. Okay, you must learn this one, okay. So copper dissolved in gold. So copper dissolved in gold ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so gold ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, gold. So pure gold ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 24 carat gold means what? So pure gold, right? 24. So for commercial purpose we are going to use what? In ornaments, 22 carats or less than 22 carats means, so 22 part is gold and remaining, so remaining part, what is that? 2 part is what? Copper we are adding. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೆರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಾಪರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಅದು ಅಲಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ಅಲಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಲಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿಂಕ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಕಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು SN, ಟಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು SN, right? So these also an example, brass and the bronze also example for what? Solid solution. Okay, right? So there are how many types of solution? Binary solution, 3 types of binary solution. One is gaseous solution, and then liquid solution, and the solid solution. Okay, so just take a screenshot of that. So these are very, very important.